Revolutionize your driving experience with the CarAiBOX CarPlay iBox, a cutting-edge device available on Aliexpress that brings advanced connectivity to your Toyota, Volvo, VW, Kia, Benz, MG, and more. Powered by a Qualcomm 6125 8-core CPU and running on Android 11.0, this wireless CarPlay and Android Auto solution promises seamless integration and a host of smart features. The heart of CarAiBOX, the Qualcomm 6125 8-core CPU, ensures smooth and efficient performance, providing a responsive and user-friendly experience for drivers. Running on the latest Android 11.0 OS, CarAiBOX not only enhances your car's connectivity, but also brings the latest Android features and optimizations to your driving environment. Enjoy the convenience of wireless connectivity with both CarPlay and Android Auto, eliminating the hassle of cables and providing a seamless connection with your smartphone. The CarAiBOX comes equipped with a built-in GPS that supports Beidou, GLONASS, Galileo, QZSS, and AGPS. This ensures accurate and reliable navigation, giving you confidence on every journey. With Wi-Fi 802.11 ABG-NAC support, CarAiBOX offers dual-band connectivity, allowing for simultaneous 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz Wi-Fi transmission. This ensures a stable and fast connection for your in-car entertainment and navigation needs. Designed to be compatible with various car models, including Toyota, Volvo, VW, Kia, Benz, MG, and more, CarAiBOX brings smart connectivity to a wide range of vehicles. Beyond CarPlay and Android Auto, CarAiBOX supports a range of smart connectivity features, enhancing your driving experience. Stay connected, entertained, and informed while on the road.